Okay. What you telling me? What you telling me? Okay.
Shona Rilla.
Hello, my name is Don Dada Cuthbert. I'm the CEO, founder of Shona Rilla Records Limited. Our offices are in London, but we are based in Scotland. Shona Rilla Records is an international independent digital record label.
Cause it's murder on the scene. A murder on the scene.
What I mean, we've got artists in Poland that we work with. And everything we do is all digital. The way we send the files back and forth is digital. When we upload, it's digital. The distribution that we use as a record label is digital. We've got artists in Africa. We start off with West Africa and Ghana. We've got East Africa. We've got Zimbabwe. We've got South Africa. In Brazil, we've got artists that are coming up. In America, we've got artists coming up. In Canada, we've got artists coming up. In Australia, we've got artists we've already worked with. And all these are all international.
The way your body hypnotize me. The way you step in at the club, put you via Kachumba. The way you step in at the...
When I say we're the first independent international record label, digital record label, is what is currently happening. If you Google against an independent international digital record label, you'll see there's nothing coming up. What only comes up is international digital record label, but independent doesn't come up. Shona Rilla Records is an independent record label. Thank you.
Like the I'm on the lyrically beat them. We run on the rhythm and lyrically freak them. I'm in underneath them. Every time we get them on the lyrically beat them.
I'm a lyrical G, girlies coming with me. 10 bands in the bag, I ain't working for free. Babe, I'm back on my shit. From the bottle I sip, spraying champagne in the club, I'm only sipping a bit. On the beat, I'm the